Ever feel like your paycheck just isn't stretching far enough? You work hard, you pay your bills, but there's never much left over for fun stuff or even just peace of mind. What if I told you there's a surprisingly simple way to change that without changing your whole life? Many people think you need a second, full-time job to make a real difference. That's just not true. Today we're diving into smart, easy side hustle ideas that can put genuine extra cash in your pocket, often using skills you already have. You'll walk away with concrete strategies, real examples, and the key mistakes to avoid, so you can start earning more today. Forget complex schemes. We're talking about practical steps for absolute beginners. Let's kick things off with a classic: freelance writing or editing. If you're decent with words, many businesses and individuals need help creating content or polishing their existing text. Think blog posts, website copy, or even proofreading. Why is this great? You can do it from anywhere, often on your own schedule. Imagine you take on just one blog post per week at $50. That's an extra $200 a month. That could cover your grocery bill or a nice dinner out. A common mistake here is underpricing your work or not building a small portfolio. Start with lower rates to get testimonials, then gradually increase as you gain experience and proof of your skills. Next up, online surveys and micro-tasks. This isn't going to make you rich, but it's fantastic for earning small, quick sums in your downtime. Websites like Swagbucks or Amazon Mechanical Turk pay you for answering questions or performing simple digital tasks. Think of it as harvesting tiny bits of cash while watching TV or waiting for appointments. If you make just $5 a day consistently, that's $150 in a month. That's enough for a utility bill or to start an emergency fund. The big mistake: spending hours on low-paying tasks. Be strategic. Focus on tasks that pay relatively well for the time invested, and don't let it consume your day. It's for small filler moments, not your main focus. Now let's talk about leveraging your stuff, selling unused items. Look around your house. Do you have old electronics, clothes, or furniture gathering dust? Platforms like eBay, Facebook Marketplace, or local consignment shops are your friends. This isn't just about earning cash, it's about decluttering and putting money back into your life from things you no longer need. Imagine selling an old gaming console for $100 and a few forgotten jackets for $50 total. That's $150 instantly. A critical mistake here is holding onto items just in case they might be useful someday. Be ruthless. If you haven't used it in a year, chances are you don't need it. Price fairly, take good photos, and be honest about condition. Here's a practical one: pet sitting or dog walking. If you love animals, this can be incredibly rewarding and flexible. People often need help when they travel or work long hours. Apps like Rover connect you with pet owners in your area. Let's say you charge $20 for a 30-minute dog walk and do 3 walks a day, 3 days a week. That's $180 per week, or over $700 a month. That's a significant income boost that could go towards paying down a small debt or building savings. The biggest mistake: not setting clear boundaries or understanding the commitment. Animals require consistent care. Only take on what you can realistically handle and communicate openly with owners about your availability and any limitations. Consider becoming a virtual assistant. Many small businesses or busy professionals need help with administrative tasks, email management, social media scheduling, or data entry. You can offer specialized skills or just general organizational support. This is a great option for those with good organizational skills and a reliable internet connection. If you can secure just one client for 10 hours a week at $25/hour, that's $250 a week, or $1,000 a month. That's life-changing money for many. A common pitfall is not clearly defining your services or managing client expectations. Be upfront about what you offer and your availability. Good communication is key to a successful virtual assistant relationship. For those who enjoy teaching, online tutoring, or teaching a skill can be incredibly rewarding. Whether it's a school subject, a musical, instrument, a language, or even how to use software someone out there wants to learn. Platforms like Chegg Tutors or creating your own simple course on sites like Teachable can connect you with students. Charging just $30 an hour for 2 students twice a week adds up to $480 extra a month. The main mistake here is not effectively marketing your services or giving up too soon. Build a simple profile, ask for reviews, and be patient. Consistency in offering lessons will eventually build your client base. Finally, let's look at local services. Think yard work, cleaning, or handyman tasks. There's always demand for reliable local help. Post flyers, use local Facebook groups, or tell friends and family what services you offer. This is especially good if you enjoy physical work or have practical skills. Imagine doing 2 yard cleanups a week at $75 each. That's $150 a week or $600 a month, all while getting some fresh air and exercise. A common mistake: not charging enough for your time and effort, or failing to communicate clearly about what services are included. Be clear, be reliable, and don't undervalue your hard work. The biggest takeaway here is this: earning extra cash doesn't require a miracle or a huge leap. It just takes a small, consistent step in the right direction using skills you already possess. Pick one idea, start small, and get moving. Even an extra $100 a month can make a huge difference in your peace of mind and financial flexibility. It's all about getting started. So, which side hustle will you try first? Let me know in the comments below. If you found this helpful and want more simple money lessons like this, make sure to hit that subscribe button. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.